Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the TeamFunded app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. TeamFunded is a fundraising app designed for schools, sports teams, and community groups, offering an easy way to raise money online without traditional methods like door-to-door sales. The app provides tools for creating campaigns, tracking donations, sharing fundraiser links, and monitoring progress in real time. It also supports secure online payments and keeps everything transparent for both organizers and donors. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many organizers appreciate TeamFunded for its simplicity, as it reduces paperwork and makes it easier to reach supporters digitally. Campaigns can be shared quickly through social media or messaging, which helps groups raise funds faster. Donors also like the convenience of being able to contribute online and see how the fundraiser is progressing. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. The success of a campaign often depends heavily on how much effort organizers put into promoting it. Some users note that the platform fees or payment processing costs can take away a small portion of donations. Also, groups in areas with less digital adoption may find it harder to rely on an app-only approach compared to traditional fundraising methods. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the TeamFunded app may be worth using if you're part of a team, school, or community group looking for a convenient, digital-first fundraising solution. It shines in accessibility, ease of use, and real-time tracking. However, if you're not confident in promoting your campaign online or want to avoid processing fees, you may want to consider other fundraising options as well. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.